She's given you the green light. You just haven't moved yet. This is the moment most men fumble, not because she's unsure, but because he is. She's already, music, decided. She's waiting. And every second you hesitate, she wonders if you're ever going to make a move. Here's how to know when she's ready for you to escalate. Watch for number 5 and number 9. Let's get into it. 1. She keeps the conversation going past its natural end. You're chatting after a neighborhood gathering. The conversation has hit a natural stopping point. You've both said what needed to be said. This is where most interactions end, but she doesn't let it end. She asks another question, brings up another topic, finds another thread to pull. This is extension behavior, and it's her buying time. When a woman keeps a conversation alive past its logical conclusion, she's not just being friendly. She's waiting. She's giving you more runway, more opportunity, more chances to take things somewhere. She's doing her part. Now, she's hoping you'll do yours. Here's what to watch for. Conversations that should have ended but didn't. If she keeps extending when there's no practical reason to, she's not just enjoying the chat, she's hoping it leads somewhere. And if she's extending the conversation, notice where she's standing. 2, she positions herself for easy contact. You're standing together after a work event, and you notice her positioning. She's not across from you. She's beside you, close enough that your arms could brush, angled so that touching would be natural, not awkward. This is access positioning, and it's deliberate. When a woman positions herself within easy reach, she's removing barriers. She's making physical escalation simple. She doesn't want you to have to cross a distance or make a dramatic move. She wants the next step to feel effortless. Here's the tell. Look at how she's standing relative to you. Is she creating distance or eliminating it? If she's positioned herself so that a touch, a lean, or a step closer would feel natural, she set the stage. She's just waiting for you to act. But if she's positioned for contact, watch what she does with her body language. 3, her body is open and facing you fully. Her arms aren't crossed. Her posture isn't guarded. She's facing you directly, shoulders squared, body open, nothing between the two of you creating a barrier. This is receptive positioning, and it signals availability. Closed body language says not now or not sure. Open body language says I'm ready. When a woman removes all physical barriers, uncrossed arms, open stance, direct orientation, she's communicating receptivity. She's not protecting herself from you, she's inviting you in. Here's what to watch for. The absence of barriers, no crossed arms, no angled shoulders, no objects held in front of her chest. If her body is completely open to you, she's removed every obstacle she can. The rest is music, up to you. And if her body is open, pay attention to her eye contact. 4. Music, her eye contact holds longer than normal. She's looking at you, but it's not a glance. It's a gaze. Her eyes meet yours, music, and stay there 2 seconds, 3 seconds longer. There's weight behind it, intention. She's not just music looking at you, she's looking into you. This music is sustained eye contact, and it's an invitation. Brief eye contact is social. Prolonged eye contact is intimate. Music. When a woman holds your gaze beyond what's normal for casual conversation, she's escalating on her end. Music. She's saying, I'm here, I'm present, I'm waiting to see what you do. Here's the music tell. Count the seconds. Normal eye contact breaks music after 1 or 2. If she's holding for 3, 4, 5 seconds, music, if her gaze feels intentional, she's not being polite. She's being inviting. But if her eyes are holding yours, music, notice what happens to the physical space. 5, she lets the distance shrink without pulling back. You, music, shift slightly closer. Maybe you lean in to say something. Maybe you step into her space a little more than before. Music. And she doesn't move back. She doesn't create distance. Music. She holds her ground or moves closer herself. This is proximity, acceptance, and it's permission. When a woman allows the space between you to shrink, music, without compensating, she's telling you the closeness is welcome. She's not, music, uncomfortable. She's not adjusting. She's accepting the escalation and waiting for more. Here's what music to watch for. Test the distance, move slightly closer, lean in a bit. If she matches you or stays put, music. If she doesn't restore the gap, she's green-lighting further escalation. She wants you closer, not music farther. And if she's accepting proximity, watch how she responds to incidental touch. 6. Music, she welcomes small touches and doesn't reset. Your hand brushes music, her arm. Your shoulder bumps hers. You touch her lower back briefly as you move past her. And instead, music of stiffening, stepping away, or subtly resetting the distance, she does nothing. Or she leans in slightly. Or she touches you back. This music is touch acceptance, and it's one of the clearest escalation signals. When a woman, music welcomes small touches, when she doesn't pull away or create space afterward, she's communicating that your touch is music wanted. She's not tolerating it, she's receiving it. And she's waiting to see if more music is coming. Here's the tell. After you touch her, what happens? Does she subtly move away or does she stay music close? Does she seem uncomfortable or does she seem to settle into it? If there's no reset, no withdrawal, no stiffening, she wants music more. But if she's welcoming touch, listen for verbal encouragement. Music 7, she gives you verbal green lights. She music says things that sound like permission. I'm having such a good time with you. I don't want this to end. You're really easy to talk to. Music, I feel comfortable with you. These aren't just compliments. These are music signals. This is verbal affirmation. And it's her way of saying, keep going. Music. When a woman offers unprompted positive feedback about the interaction, music about you, about how she feels, about the moment, she's reinforcing the direction things are heading. She's telling you, music, she's enjoying this. She's telling you not to stop. Here's what to music watch for. Statements that affirm the connection. If she's volunteering how music good this feels, how much she's enjoying your company, how comfortable she is, she's music, not just being nice, she's encouraging you to escalate. And if she's giving verbal green lights, notice how music she handles pauses. 8. She doesn't feel silence, she lets it breathe. The conversation pauses. There's a moment of music quiet. Most people rush to fill it. An awkward laugh, a random comment, music, anything to break the tension. But she doesn't. She lets the silence sit. Music. She holds your gaze through it. She seems comfortable in the pause. Music, maybe even expectant. This is silence tolerance, and it signals music readiness. Silence creates space for escalation. It's in the pauses, music, that things happen. A touch, a lean, a kiss. When a woman lets silence exist, music, instead of rushing to fill it, she's not uncomfortable. She's music, waiting. She's giving you room to make a move. Here's the tell. What does music she do in the quiet moments? Does she break them quickly or let them linger? If she seems at ease in the silence, if she's looking at music you like, she's waiting for something, she's ready for you to close the gap. But if she's comfortable with music silence, watch for physical escalation from her side. 9, she music initiates touch herself. She puts her hand on your arm. Music, she brushes lint off your shoulder that may or may not exist. Music, she playfully pushes you when you tease her. She finds reasons to make physical contact. This is music proactive touch, and it's her escalating on her own. When a woman music starts initiating physical contact, she's doing more than signaling. She's leading. She's showing you what she wants by doing it herself. Music. She's hoping you'll match her energy or exceed it. Here's what to music watch for. Touch that she initiates without prompting. Music. Not responses to your contact, but contact she creates. If she's finding reasons to put her hands on you, she's not being music friendly. She's being forward, and she's hoping you'll follow her lead. Music. And if she's touching you first, watch for the final signal. 10. She creates music a moment and waits. Everything aligns. She's close. The eye music contact is there. The energy is charged. There's a pause that feels different music from the others, heavier, more expectant. And she music just waits. She doesn't break it. She doesn't look away. She doesn't feel the silence. She stays in the moment, looking at music, you, present, and ready. This is the invitation pause, and it's music, her final signal. When a woman creates a charged moment and holds it, when she does everything except close the gap herself, music, she's put the ball in your court. She's escalated as far as she's willing to without your participation. Now she's waiting to see if you'll meet music, her there. Here's the tell, a moment that feels suspended. Eye contact that music doesn't break. A silence that feels full rather than empty. If she's holding space like this, she's not waiting for more conversation. She's music waiting for you to act. Now it's your turn. Have you seen these signs and hesitated anyway, music, or missed them because you were waiting for something more obvious? Drop a comment below, music. Because here's the real question. When she's done everything but closed the gap herself, what are you waiting for?